$150,000 for a converted van? Hold that thought. Your freedom on wheels doesn't need to cost as much as a house. Every day I receive messages from adventurers worldwide asking one burning question: how can I hit the road without hitting rock bottom financially? In 2025, the game has changed. While social media floods your feed with six-figure luxury builds, a revolution in affordable 4x4 vans is quietly unfolding. Through years of hands-on experience and countless miles on the road, I've discovered 10 extraordinary vans that deliver premium features without the premium price tag. We're talking about machines that laugh in the face of rough terrain while keeping your bank account intact. Ready to see how far your dollar can really take you? Buckle up as we explore each option in detail, comparing everything from fuel efficiency to conversion potential. No marketing fluff, no sponsored opinions, just real insights from someone who's lived and breathed van life for the past decade. Get ready to redefine what's possible with your budget. Hit the subscribe button and let's go. Number 1. Peugeot Boxer. Speaking of adaptable vans, the Peugeot Boxer stands as a remarkable alternative, starting at $54,500. This versatile companion offers something truly distinctive in the 4x4 market. Available in 4 lengths and 3 heights, it accommodates various conversion styles. The 2.2-liter engine lineup delivers impressive power ratings of 120, 140, and 165 horsepower, paired with a robust 6-speed manual transmission. The Boxer's payload capacity ranges from 1,125 to 1,870 kilograms, while its maximum technically permissible laden mass spans from 3,300 to 4,500 kilograms. The interior height reaches up to 2.17 meters in the tallest model, offering ample space for standing room, a crucial factor for van life enthusiasts. The Boxer's squared-off walls simplify the installation of cabinets and storage solutions, making it a converter's delight. While it may lack an automatic transmission option, its fuel efficiency compensates, delivering approximately 32.5 miles per gallon on highways. The reinforced body structure and enhanced suspension system ensure stability even when fully loaded. But if you're seeking a dash of nostalgia with your van life journey, let's time travel to a classic that revolutionized the camping world. Number 2. Volkswagen T1. From modern utility to timeless charm, the Volkswagen T1 Samba Deluxe represents more than just transportation. It embodies a cultural movement. These restored classics command prices between $20,000 to $100,000, depending on condition and authenticity. The original 1950 to 1967 models featured the iconic split windshield design, earning the affectionate nickname Splitty among enthusiasts. The Samba variant showcases up to 23 windows, including 8 panoramic skylights in the roof. Its 1.2-liter air-cooled engine, though modest by today's standards at 40 horsepower, created unforgettable memories for generations of adventurers. The interior height of 1.65 meters may seem cozy compared to modern vans, but the ingenious design maximizes every centimeter of space. Contemporary restoration specialists like Peace Vans in Seattle transform these classics into modern-day adventurers, integrating current amenities while preserving their authentic character. Yet, for those seeking modern reliability with similar versatility, there's another German-engineered option worth exploring. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. While the MAN TGE prioritizes technology, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, starting at $53,120, elevates the driving experience through refined engineering. The latest generation abandons gasoline engines entirely, focusing on 2 turbocharged diesel powertrains, 168 and 208 horsepower variants, both mated to a sophisticated 9-speed automatic transmission. The Sprinter's configurability impresses with 3 lengths, 2 wheelbases, and 3 body styles. The cargo area spans from 7.8 to 15.5 cubic meters, while the payload capacity ranges from 1,565 to 2,295 kilograms. Mercedes' attention to detail shows in the MBUX infotainment system, which includes natural voice recognition and over-the-air updates. Advanced safety features include active brake assist, attention assist, and crosswind assist as standard equipment. The optional Distronic Plus adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances in traffic, while the 360-degree camera system makes maneuvering effortless. Speaking of German engineering excellence, there's one more contender that deserves our attention. Number 5. Volkswagen Crafter building upon Mercedes' premium approach. The 2025 Volkswagen Crafter, priced from $31,150, combines practicality with sophisticated technology. The recent facelift introduces a 12.9-inch digital cockpit, complete with an AI-powered voice assistant featuring ChatGPT integration, a first in its class. Available in 3 heights and lengths, the Crafter offers payload capacities up to 2,400 kilograms in its 5-ton variant. Engine options include a 140 PS front-wheel drive and a robust 177 PS all-wheel drive system. The redesigned interior emphasizes ergonomic comfort, featuring a new steering column-mounted gear selector and enhanced sound insulation. The Crafter's electromechanical steering system adapts to different driving situations, while the optional Park Assist 3.0 can handle parallel and perpendicular parking maneuvers autonomously. With a turning circle of just 13.6 meters in the standard wheelbase version, this large van remains surprisingly agile in urban environments. Number 6. Renault Trafic. Renault Trafic, priced at $49,000. This understated champion proved that sometimes the best adventures start with the unexpected. Stretching from 5.08 to 5.48 meters in length, this versatile vehicle offers remarkable flexibility for its size. The 2.0-liter engine delivers 150 horsepower, striking an ideal balance between performance and efficiency, achieving approximately 34.5 miles per gallon on highways. What truly sets the Trafic apart is its ingenious design. The load space ranges from 5.8 to 8.9 cubic meters, depending on the chosen configuration. Adria's award-winning Active Duo model demonstrates the Trafic's conversion potential, featuring an innovative rising roof that adds 1.9 meters of standing height when deployed. The vehicle's maximum technically permissible laden mass spans from 3,010 to 3,070 kilograms, offering ample capacity for creative conversions. Speaking with Sarah Chen, a digital nomad who's logged 50,000 miles in her Trafic, she praised its car-like handling and urban maneuverability. But for those seeking more robust capabilities, there's another European contender worth exploring. Number 7. Fiat Ducato. While the Trafic excels in urban environments, the Fiat Ducato, starting at $38,900, dominates the open road. John Martinez, a seasoned van converter with 15 years of experience, swears by the Ducato's reliability. In all my years of converting vans, he notes, the Ducato consistently provides the most straightforward canvas for customization. The Ducato's dimensions range from 5.41 to 6.36 meters in length, with a maximum technically permissible laden mass between 3,500 and 4,250 kilograms. The 2.2-liter engine comes in 2 power variants, 140 and 180 horsepower, both paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission introduced in 2019. This powertrain delivers approximately 32 miles per gallon during highway cruising. The Ducato's boxy design, with nearly vertical walls and minimal wheel arch intrusion, maximizes interior space utilization. Recent upgrades include enhanced sound insulation and improved aerodynamics. But if you're seeking the perfect blend of practicality and modern comfort, let's explore a worthy competitor. Number 8. Ford Transit Custom. The 2025 Ford Transit Custom, priced from $55,940, represents a significant leap forward in van design. Since its 2013 debut, this model has evolved into a sophisticated platform that challenges premium competitors. The latest generation showcases Ford's commitment to sustainability with its plug-in hybrid electric vehicle option, featuring a 2.5-liter petrol engine combined with a 65-kilowatt electric motor. Personal experience speaks volumes. My weekend rental of a Transit Custom convinced me of its merit. The vehicle's car-like comfort, coupled with its practical dimensions of 5.34 meters in length and 2.00 meters in height, creates an ideal balance for both daily driving and adventure travel. The Westphalia converted Ford Nugget version exemplifies the Transit Custom's versatility, offering a fully equipped living space within its compact footprint. However, for those seeking a more budget-friendly approach to van life with similar capabilities, there's another option gaining popularity. Number 9. Citroen Relay. The Citroen Relay, with its attractive starting price of $38,362, proves that affordability doesn't mean compromise. Built in collaboration with Bravia Mobile, this versatile platform offers 3 length options, ranging from 5.41 to 6.36 meters. Engine choices include a 2.2-liter unit producing either 100 or 120 horsepower and a more powerful 3.0-liter variant generating 160 horsepower. The Relay's payload capacity spans from 1,140 to 1,870 kilograms, while its cargo volume ranges from 8 to 17 cubic meters. The high-roof variant provides an interior standing height of 1.93 meters, perfect for taller adventurers. Advanced features include hill descent control and an electronic stability program specifically calibrated for varying load conditions. For those who value German engineering and long-term reliability, there's one more option that deserves your attention. Number 10. Volkswagen Transporter. The Volkswagen Transporter 7, beginning at $31,100, embodies decades of refinement. Linda Rodriguez, a surf instructor turned van lifer, shared her decade-long journey with a Transporter. These vans aren't just vehicles. They're part of a legacy that keeps getting better. The latest generation grows in size, measuring 12.8 centimeters wider than its predecessor, with lengths ranging from 4.90 to 5.30 meters. The 2.0-liter engine options deliver either 110 or 150 horsepower, paired with Volkswagen's renowned dual-clutch transmission. Towing capacity ranges from 2,800 to 3,200 kilograms, complemented by advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. The Transporter's evolution continues with its first-ever electric variant, the e-Transporter, developed through Volkswagen's collaboration with Ford. This partnership combines German precision with American innovation, creating a vehicle that's ready for the future of sustainable travel. Which of these vehicles interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. Hit the subscribe button and also tap the notification bell for an exclusive update on our next video.